All right, let's go ahead and get this thing installed. I'm going to install the sexy knob from Enhance. Enjoy. I've watched all the instructional videos about how to install this, and I'm going to try to do it without looking back at them. It's pretty straightforward. It should be fine. So I'm going to try to do it without cheating. We'll see how it goes. I can already see a slight problem. Drink cups will probably get in the way of using the right hand buttons, but we'll see how it goes. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is fit it in there and see if I need to use these stickers to make it flush. So all we got to do is set it in there and then press down till it clicks, slide it forward, shut the door, and let's see. It's pretty flush. It's a little low on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and install a set of stickers and see how it does. So I'll just go ahead and snap this back out. And these stickers are slightly raised, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick one on both sides. For some reason, I think the right side may be low enough to put two stickers on, but we'll see. Let me go ahead and do that and see how it goes. All right, I ended up putting 3 on this side and 2 on this side, and it's flush up here, but and it's flush-ish down here, but it doesn't matter. It's fine. There is a little gap here. I can't, no matter how much I tug, it's not going to close that gap, but it's fine. Looks great. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this hooked up. All right, then you go ahead, just to power it up, you go hook that cable there, and the other side will get hooked down in one of these. And then we'll snap it back into place and download the app. All right, there you go, it's powered up. It says the commander is not connected, which is correct. I have not done that step yet, but this is what it looks like. Just powered up. I'm gonna go ahead and download the app and get that going. All right, I haven't finished hooking it up yet, but this is in demo mode. So this is what they have now: fan speed, vent, left and right, seat heat. So if you press this button, right now it's off. The left seat is off. But you can turn the button to 1, 2, or 3. So yeah, pretty cool. You can go ahead and get the commander set up so this thing will actually work. It's really windy out here, so if you hear any wind noise, that's what's going on. I'm sure I'm going to be able to do it without cheating and looking at the install video again, but here we go. Now, the video says to put the seats all the way up, as it's very logical to do, because what we're going to do is take that off and hook it up in there. So let me get the tripod hooked up, and I'll go ahead and do that. All right, here we go. I've got the commander and the cord for this installation. This will hook into the commander. This will fit in between the 2 existing ports in there. So, all right, never done this before. What they say is to pop this off. Pop. Come on, come on. All right, let's do more aggressive. Oh God, all right. There it goes, it came off. All right, and then I apparently just pull these apart. God, they're in there tight. I'm a little worried. I could be destroying my... Oh, it's a push button. I hope there's not one on the back because there's no way I can get to it. Oh my God, if it's on the back, man, it's tight in here. There's no room. I think this is probably just glued on there. Wow. This is not going the way I wanted to. All right. There's going to be some fast forwarding here because I may not ever get this done. Oh, there it goes. All right. Oh, good. There's not a push button on the back. Great. So, we just hook this way. There you go. Shove that on. No click on this side. It just shoves in. And, oh my God. And this goes in there. And it clicks there. All right. And then the command goes here. And that's it. Apparently we just shoved this in here, they say. Let me do that after I get this back on, hopefully. And they say it's just going to go on, shove that there and put this back on. So let's try it out. It's got to be this way. The clips are up this way. All right, here we go. Tuck that in there. There. All right. That's it. And then this will get tucked in here. Like that. All right. I got it all hooked up. Now, let's see if it works the way it's supposed to. I'm probably going to have to do some more stuff in the app. Let's see. No, it works. You can hear the fan speed really high. I'm going to go ahead and turn it down. There you go. And then you press the button once to go back to the home screen. The right seat heat, the left seat heat. I don't turn my seat heat on because I'm afraid I want to poop myself. But yeah, I can feel it heating up. It's cool. All right, that's it. That's the installation. All installed and ready to go. I played with it a little bit, but I need to play with it a lot more to really learn it. It seems to be working fine, and I think it's going to be a great addition to the car. Excuse the filth of my car. It's winter time, and I have not had a chance to clean it in a while, but that's the way it goes. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and like for more videos like this. Thanks a lot. Stay safe.